OnePlus 8 launch will only take place online due to that outbreak. That thing's still going on.
Yes, it is.
Unbelievable. It's no good, man. I'm not happy about it.
No. Cruise ships, docking and quarantine.
God.
Terrible.
You were just asking me. You say, are people going out? What do people get to do? You're quarantined. What do you get to... You're looking at the walls over here. You're going nuts. Mm-hmm. It's not ideal, obviously. I mean, I'm stating the obvious here. But anyway, we've been covering the fact that it is impacting the smartphone marketplace substantially. In some cases, probably in ways we can't even see and aren't being reported on. We have this report, though, today suggesting that OnePlus is going to skip out. Oh, what is this? Reports of canceling an offline launch event due to coronavirus are false. We have an update. It's just a live update. Da-na-na, da-na-na. That's Sports Center. This is much more hard-hitting news than sports. OnePlus denies that their offline launch event was canceled due to coronavirus. Oh, now we got to. Now it's a conspiracy. Now you hop on the Reddit. You get to the bottom of it, Will. And get back to us in a couple weeks.
Sure.
But the point being is OnePlus has recently been hosting events for smartphone launches. They were in New York. They've been embracing the idea of smartphone launch events, and they will not be doing so for this next one. So you can, I suppose now you can come up with your own reasoning for why. Maybe they have other reasons. Here's the thing. You want to go full conspiracy right now? You want to do this right now? Maybe it's a supply issue because of coronavirus. So then they're saying, we don't want to promote this thing too much because we can't even really supply it.
Mm-hmm. Keep it low key.
So, yeah, we worked on it. We've got this thing, but we're going to sell out in like 5 minutes. Mm-hmm. We can't.
There's like 5 devices.
We can't.
Yeah.
You know, the usual.
Yeah, pulling the levers.
That's the usual. Yeah. You go to Shenzhen, that's the usual. It's another day. It's a Tuesday. We covered it. Mm-hmm. It's always
always that song.
It's always Acme.
Yeah.
Remember Acme?
Yeah.
Pumping out the anvils.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you like that one.
Pumping out the anvils.
Remember the anvils? Because they can't fill enough anvil orders.
Yeah.
Who needs those? I don't know.
The dynamite rockets?
Yeah, somebody needs all that. Probably a coyote or something.
Coyote, yeah.
Probably a coyote needs those. Are we 74 years old? Yeah, we definitely are. I don't mind. It's fine. I had to go through the routine, have an English muffin or something. I don't mind. I don't got any problem with it. If I take an English muffin, though, I'll tell you what I do.
What's that?
I toast it hard. I don't put it in there in a level 2 or something and say, "Oh, I have a warm English muffin."
With your churned butter.
And I'll tell you something. If you want a crunchy English muffin, you really got to toast it. Because an English muffin is toast resistant.
It's got that thick dough.
Exactly. It's very soft and it's moist and it's toast resistant. So you got to hit an English muffin with a level 5, 6, 7 in that territory. I don't know about your toaster. Yeah. You got to hit it hard. Yeah. And it comes out of there reluctantly crunchy.
Yes.
And I'll tell you what, you take that English muffin and then since it's already crunchy, you apply the crunchy peanut butter as well with the peanut butter pieces. And now you got a day ahead of you. Now your life's in front of you.
Yes.
Instead of behind.
Yeah.
From that moment forward. Anyway, conspiracies aside, there will be no physical event. It won't be the first time that OnePlus has done a completely online event. They did it for the OnePlus 2 launch, and they did it for the OnePlus 5 launch. So there is a precedent for it, but I catch a feeling right now that given everything that's going on, it will be hard to imagine that the outbreak hasn't influenced this in some way. Maybe not a specific event cancellation, but maybe a supply chain thing. Maybe some. I mean, it's influencing everything right now. So either way, no OnePlus 8 launch event. Don't book your tickets. Don't stamp your passport just yet. Just all you gotta do is keep it locked on the internet, and you'll find out whatever all of us are gonna find out.